Welcome back to the Daily House family. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something so special, transforming your small patio into a cozy full farmhouse haven using gorgeous IKEA pieces. If you love the warmth of autumn, the charm of farmhouse design, and budget-friendly solutions, you're in for such a treat. Today's makeover focuses on woven textures, natural wood elements, and the most enchanting candle glow that'll make your space feel like a rustic retreat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to fall in love with farmhouse style. And drop a comment below sharing your favorite fall decor element. Let's start with your home's exterior, because first impressions matter so much in farmhouse design. The key to achieving that coveted farmhouse facade lies in layering natural textures and warm, earthy tones. Think weathered wood shutters, vintage-inspired hardware, and plenty of organic elements. For fall, we're incorporating rich burgundy mums, golden pumpkins, and rustic wooden crates as planters. The beauty of farmhouse style is its lived-in, authentic feel. It's not about perfection, but rather creating a space that tells a story. Consider adding a simple wooden bench near your entrance or hanging a seasonal wreath made from dried wheat or eucalyptus to instantly boost that countryside charm. Your entryway sets the entire tone for your home's farmhouse aesthetic, and fall is the perfect time to make it extra welcoming. Start with a sturdy wooden coat rack. IKEA's Panic series offers fantastic farmhouse-friendly options in natural wood finishes. Add woven baskets for shoe storage, keeping the organic texture theme consistent. A vintage-style mirror with a weathered frame creates depth while reflecting natural light. Layer in seasonal elements like a jute doormat with foam messaging, small pumpkins ranged on a rustic wooden tray, and perhaps a galvanized metal bucket filled with autumn branches. Don't forget practical elements like a small wooden stool for changing shoes and wall hooks for keys and hats. The farmhouse living room is all about creating a space that invites gathering and conversation, especially during fall's cozy months. Start with a neutral foundation. Think cream, warm whites, and soft grays. Then layer in rich autumn hues through textiles and accessories. IKEA's linen blend throw pillows in mustard yellow and burnt orange add instant seasonal warmth. Incorporate natural wood through coffee tables, side tables, or floating shelves displaying vintage books and small pumpkins. Woven elements are crucial here. Consider adding a jute rug, rattan baskets for blanket storage, and perhaps a macrame wall hanging. The key is balancing rustic elements with comfort, ensuring your space feels both stylish and supremely livable for fall entertaining. Nothing says farmhouse full like a beautifully styled dining table that beckons family and friends to linger over seasonal meals. Your dining room should feel like the heart of autumn hospitality. Start with a solid wood dining table. IKEA's Merbelska series captures that perfect farmhouse aesthetic. Layer your table with natural linen runners, vintage-inspired ceramic dishes, and plenty of candlelight for that essential farmhouse glow. Create a stunning centerpiece using wooden bowls filled with mini pumpkins, acorns, and dried wheat stalks. Mix and match dining chairs for that collected over time farmhouse look. Combine wooden chairs with upholstered benches for visual interest. Hang a simple chandelier with Edison bulbs overhead to complete this gathering space that truly celebrates the season. The farmhouse kitchen during fall should feel like command central for all your seasonal cooking and baking adventures. Focus on open shelving to display your favorite ceramic dishes, vintage mason jars filled with autumn spices, and wooden cutting boards that double as decor. IKEA's Vadholma kitchen island provides extra workspace while maintaining that farmhouse aesthetic with its natural wood and steel combination. Style your countertops with seasonal elements, a wooden bowl of fresh apples, copper mugs for hot cider, and perhaps a small chalkboard menu featuring fall favorites. Don't forget about your appliances. Even your coffee machine can be styled with a woven placemat and small pumpkin nearby. The goal is creating a space that's both highly functional and beautifully seasonal. Your farmhouse family room needs to balance entertainment functionality with cozy fall comfort. This is where families gather for movie nights and game evenings during cooler weather. Position your flat-screen TV thoughtfully, perhaps mounted above or reclaimed with console that provides storage for media components and seasonal decor. Surround your seating area with soft, layered textiles in fall colors. Think plaid throw blankets, cable knit pillows, and a large area rug in warm tones. IKEA's Stocks and Sofa series offers comfort with farmhouse appeal. Add warmth through table lamps with burlap or linen shades. And don't forget a basket for remote controls and cozy blankets. The key is making this space feel relaxed and inviting for extended family time. Creating a farmhouse-style home office space that transitions beautifully into full requires balancing productivity with seasonal comfort. Choose a solid wood desk with clean lines. IKEA's Hem series offers great farmhouse-friendly options. Style your workspace with natural elements like a small potted plant, wooden desk accessories, and perhaps a vintage-inspired desk clock that adds both function and charm. A small radio with classic design keeps you company during work hours, while maintaining the farmhouse aesthetic. Organize supplies in woven baskets and wooden boxes, keeping everything tidy yet accessible. Good lighting is essential. Combine natural light with a table lamp featuring a linen shade. Add a comfortable wooden chair with a cozy cushion in full colors to complete this productive yet stylish space. Every farmhouse home needs a dedicated reading nook that becomes extra inviting during fall's longer evenings. This intimate space should feel like your personal autumn retreat. Start with a comfortable armchair. IKEA's Strandman series provides that perfect reading chair with classic farmhouse appeal. Position it near a window for natural light during day reading, and add a floor lamp with warm lighting for evening sessions. Create a small side table using a wooden stool or vintage crate to hold your coffee mug and current read. Layer in seasonal comfort with a soft throw blanket, a couple of decorative pillows, and perhaps a small basket to store your book collection. A small area rug defines the space and adds warmth underfoot during those cozy fall reading sessions. Your farmhouse bedroom should become the ultimate fall sanctuary, where you can unwind and recharge surrounded by seasonal comfort. The key is creating layers of cozy textures while maintaining that clean, uncluttered farmhouse aesthetic. Start with natural wood furniture. IKEA's Hem's bedroom series offers beautiful farmhouse-style pieces. Layer your bedding with linen sheets in warm whites or soft grays. Add a chunky knit throw in autumn colors, and mix pillow textures with linen, cotton, and perhaps a touch of wool. Incorporate seasonal elements subtly. A small vase with dried wheat on your nightstand, wooden picture frames, and perhaps a woven basket for extra blankets. Soft lighting through table lamps with fabric shades creates the perfect ambience for fall's cozy evenings. Transform your farmhouse bathroom into a cozy autumn retreat that feels like a countryside spa. Focus on natural materials and warm, inviting colors that complement fall's palette. Add wooden elements through a ladder-style towel rack, bamboo bath mat, or wooden storage baskets. Your vanity area should feature natural textures, perhaps a woven basket for toiletries, and a small wooden tray for everyday essentials. Incorporate seasonal scents through candles in mason jars or a small diffuser with autumn essential oils. Layer in soft textiles with linen hand towels, a cozy bath rug in warm tones, and perhaps a throw blanket drape over a wooden stool. The shower area can benefit from natural elements like eucalyptus bundles hanging from the shower head, creating your own at-home spa experience perfect for fall self-care. Even your garage can embrace farmhouse style while maintaining maximum functionality for full storage needs. Organization is key in farmhouse design. Everything should have a designated place that's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Install open shelving using reclaimed wood or IKEA IVR system for storing seasonal decorations, gardening supplies, and outdoor gear. Use galvanized metal bins and wooden crates for storage that looks intentional rather than cluttered. Create a potting station using a wooden workbench where you can prepare fall planters and store gardening tools, hang rakes, shovels, and other tools on a simple wooden pegboard. The goal is making your garage feel like an extension of your home's farmhouse aesthetic rather than just a storage afterthought. Now, let's dive into the star of today's show, your small patio transformation. The foundation of any successful farmhouse patio design starts with thoughtful layout planning that maximizes every square foot. Begin by defining different zones within your space, perhaps a seating area, a small dining spot, and a corner for seasonal decorations. Consider your patio's orientation and how natural light moves through the space during fall's shorter days. IKEA's outdoor furniture series like Plara provides the perfect farmhouse foundation with natural wood construction that weathers beautifully. Think about traffic flow and how you'll move through the space, ensuring pathways remain clear while creating intimate conversation areas. The key is making your small patio feel spacious and purposeful rather than cramped or cluttered. The magic of farmhouse design lies in layering natural, woven textures that create visual interest and tactile comfort. For your full patio makeover, focus on incorporating various woven elements that complement each other beautifully. Start with a large jute or sizzle area rug that defines your main seating area and adds warmth underfoot. Layer in woven baskets of different sizes for storage and decoration. They're perfect for holding throw blankets, magazines, or seasonal decorations. Consider adding woven placemats to your outdoor dining table, rattan lanterns for ambient lighting, and perhaps a macrame wall hanging if you have vertical space to fill. These textures not only look beautiful, but also age gracefully, developing character over time that's perfectly aligned with farmhouse aesthetics. Wood is absolutely essential in farmhouse design, and your full patio should showcase this natural material in multiple ways. IKEA's Plara outdoor dining set provides the perfect foundation, with its solid acacia wood construction that develops a beautiful patina over time. Complement your main furniture with smaller wood accents, perhaps a wooden plant stand, rustic side tables made from tree stumps, or a wooden bench that provides extra seating and storage. Consider adding wooden planters in various sizes for seasonal plantings. And don't forget about wooden decorative elements like carved pumpkins, rustic signs, or a wooden ladder used as a unique display piece. The key is mixing different wood tones and textures to create depth and visual interest throughout your patio space. Nothing creates farmhouse ambience quite like the warm, flickering glow of candles, especially during fall's longer evenings. Your patio lighting strategy should layer different sources to create a magical atmosphere that extends your outdoor season. Start with IKEA's Sinlig candles and glass lanterns placed at varying heights throughout your space. Mix pillar candles with votives and tea lights to create depth and interest. Consider hanging string lights with Edison bulb-style fixtures for overhead illumination that feels both practical and romantic. Solar-powered lanterns provide eco-friendly options that charge during the day and automatically illuminate your space at dusk. The goal is creating pools of warm light that make your patio feel intimate and inviting, perfect for enjoying those crisp fall evenings with family and friends. Fall is nature's most spectacular decorating season, and your farmhouse patio should celebrate this abundance through thoughtful plant arrangements and seasonal displays. Focus on plants that thrive in cooler weather and showcase autumn's rich color palette. Think burgundy mums, orange marigolds, and deep purple asters. Use a mix of container sizes and materials, combining galvanized metal buckets, wooden planters, and ceramic pots for visual variety. Create height variation by using plant stands, stacked wooden crates, or even old bladders as unique display pieces. Don't forget about texture. Incorporate ornamental cabbages, decorative gourds, and perhaps some wheatgrass in containers. The key is creating arrangements that look naturally gathered rather than overly styled, perfectly capturing that farmhouse aesthetic of effortless beauty. Your patio seating should invite guests to settle in and stay a while. Especially important during fall when outdoor time becomes more precious. Layer your seating with weather-resistant textiles that add both comfort and visual warmth. IKEA's outdoor cushions and throw pillows in autumn colors like rust, golden yellow, and deep burgundy instantly transform basic furniture into cozy gathering spots. Add outdoor throw blankets for those crisp evening temperatures. Choose materials that can withstand outdoor conditions while maintaining farmhouse style. Consider different seating options beyond traditional patio chairs. Perhaps a wooden bench with cushions, floor pillows for casual seating, or even a small outdoor pouf that doubles as extra seating or a footrest. The goal is creating a space where comfort meets style effortlessly. Farmhouse style celebrates functional beauty, and your patio storage should exemplify this principle perfectly. Every storage solution should serve a purpose while contributing to your space's overall aesthetic appeal. Use woven baskets in various sizes to store everything from throw pillows to gardening tools. They look beautiful while keeping your space organized. Consider a wooden storage bench that provides seating while hiding away seasonal items like string lights, Kindles, or outdoor games. Galvanized metal containers work wonderfully for storing larger items while adding that rustic farmhouse touch. Wall-mounted solutions like wooden shelves or hanging baskets maximize vertical space in small patios. The key is choosing storage that looks intentional and beautiful rather than utilitarian, ensuring your patio maintains its serene, uncluttered farmhouse aesthetic. Creating a magazine-worthy farmhouse patio requires understanding a few key design principles that professionals use consistently. First, embrace the rule of odd numbers when arranging decorative elements. Groups of 3 or 5 always look more natural and pleasing to the eye. Layer different heights throughout your space using plant stands, varied container sizes, and hanging elements to create visual depth. Mix textures liberally, but stick to a cohesive color palette of warm neutrals with autumn accent colors. Don't forget about negative space. Farmhouse design needs room to breathe, so avoid overcrowding your small patio. Scale is crucial in small spaces. Choose furniture and accessories that fit proportionally. Finally, add personal touches that tell your story. Perhaps vintage finds, family heirlooms, or handmade elements that make the space uniquely yours. What a journey we've taken together today, transforming a simple small patio into the most enchanting fall farmhouse retreat. We've layered beautiful woven textures, incorporated warm wood elements, and created that magical candle glow that makes autumn evenings absolutely irresistible. Remember, farmhouse style is about creating spaces that feel authentically lived in and loved, not perfectly styled showrooms. Your patio should reflect your personality while embracing the cozy comfort that makes farmhouse design so enduringly popular. The best part about this makeover is how budget-friendly it can be with IKEA's fantastic options and a little creativity. I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own full farmhouse sanctuary. And if you try any of these ideas, I'd love to see them. Please subscribe to the Daily House for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if it sparked your creativity. And share your own farmhouse patio transformations in the comments below.